Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Dottie with Ignite Cinemas, and today I'm going to be breaking down how to do a Ken Burns effect using Final Cut Pro 10. Let's get it! So welcome to the channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, as this is a channel that's all geared to bringing you Final Cut Pro 10 tutorials, gear reviews, and filming tips and tricks. Now today I'm going to be breaking down a real simple effect, and that's a Ken Burns effect. And this effect is so clutch, especially when you want to add some spice and some flair to plain Jane static images and you want to add some movement to them. So right now we're going to go into Final Cut Pro 10 and let's get busy. Alright, so we're in Final Cut and right now we are going to quote unquote animate, add some spice to some static regular images, and we're going to do that with the Ken Burns effect. So for example, right here, one of my clients, they sent me this picture and it was a fire truck. Now we can add this in there, or we can make it look like it's moving, and we do that simply by highlighting our image and coming over here, and then we're going to see the options for either transform, crop, or distort. We're going to go crop, and when you have crop, you're going to see something right here called Ken Burns. And when we have this, you're going to have two things. You're going to have a green starting point and you're going to have a red end point. So let's say I want to move this image from the top left corner to the bottom. So we're going to start up here and we're going to place that. And as you can see, there's a white arrow showing where the end point's going to be. And you could play around with it, but I'm going to go ahead and do it right here. Now I want to stay inside the constraints of the image, because if I move over, the black will show, and we don't want that. We want it to look clean. So I'm gonna actually make it a little bit smaller, and I'm gonna keep it in the duration. Now we can preview this by coming up here to a play button, so you can make sure that it's something that we really want, and I am cool with that. And then I'll hit done, and then when we do playback, you have some motion in it. Now I could probably get better. I might do a pan instead. So let's say we want to do a pan movement. Let's try this one with a panning movement. Again, we come over here to crop, Ken Burns, and we're going to have a starting point and an end point. Now this one, I just want to do like a panning motion. So I'm going to move everything side by side. Let's see how that looks. Voila. We got some camera movement in there, so it's not just a plain static image. Now recently a client, they had their website made, and I wanted to showcase like how their website looks, and all they sent was a PDF, so I couldn't screen share it. So as you can see with this PDF right here, if we zoom in, it's a big image, right? Because it's a PDF. So what I did is I added a Ken Burns effect going from top to bottom, and this is what I did. And this is the whole purpose of even why I wanted to create this tutorial for you guys. So I went up here, did a Ken Burns, and it automatically did it for me. So it starts up top and it goes down bottom, and when you see it, look at that. It looks like I'm actually scrolling. However, this is a static image. This is a PDF. Hit spacebar and we're gonna roll with that. And that's how this effect is achieved. It's very easy to use. I strongly suggest, if you want to add some spice, you want to add some flair to any video project, and all you have is static regular images, JPEGs, PNGs, PDFs, try this effect. It has come in clutch in numerous ways. I even use this Ken Burns effect when I'm actually teaching these tutorials. It's way more than just using on static images. You can use this to help enhance how you tell your story and what is being told using the power of video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please smash that like button for me right now. And if you want to see more Final Cut Pro 10 tutorials like this on the channel, as well as gear reviews and filming tips and tricks, just hit that red button, subscribe to the channel so you never miss a video, and as always, don't forget to ignite. See ya.